Good day, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to dive into a topic that is crucial for anybody navigating the legal landscape in the United States. And we are talking about U.S. legal forms. So whether you're starting a business, buying a home, or just need to tackle some personal legal matters, understanding these forms can save you a bunch of time and a bunch of money. So let's dive in. Now, it's important to know that the information provided in this video is for information purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. I'm not a legal representative or an attorney. For specific legal concerns or questions, please consult a qualified legal professional. Right? Let's get into this video. So first of all, what are U.S. legal forms? In simple terms, they are standardized documents used to facilitate legal processes. These forms cover a wide range of legal needs, from a real estate transaction to business formations to family law and even estate planning. They can help you to ensure all of your necessary information is captured and that the legal requirements of your state are met. Now, there are different types of legal forms. The first one we're going to talk about is a business form. For entrepreneurs, business forms are essential. These include articles of incorporation, partnership agreements, and operating agreements. These documents lay the groundwork for your business structure as well as your operations. Next up, we have a real estate form. Whether you're buying, selling, or renting a property, you'll encounter purchase agreements, lease agreements, and even disclosures. These forms protect both parties to ensure a smooth transaction. Family law forms are crucial for matters like divorce, child custody, and adoption. These documents help outline responsibilities and rights, making the process clearer for everyone involved. Estate planning forms such as wills and power of attorney documents are vital for ensuring your wishes are honored after you have passed. They help manage your affairs and protect your loved ones. Now that you know what a U.S. legal form is and all of its parts and why they're important, we can now find out where to get hold of them. First of all, there are online legal services. You can also contact state government websites and also local law libraries. Now, if this was an enjoyable video and you found it helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like. We'll see you next time.